Welcome everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show how you can fix video call problem or video call not working on Samsung Galaxy M06. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.